Listen up, guys. Have you ever noticed that when you start ignoring a girl you like, she suddenly can't get enough of you? It's not an accident. Women are programmed to desire what they can't have, so playing a little hard to get can work wonders. The trick is making her chase you without actually chasing her away. We've got 6 simple tricks to make her crave your attention by strategically ignoring her. Use these techniques sparingly, and she'll be begging you to notice her in no time. The best part is that the more you ignore her, the more she'll chase you. So get ready to drive her wild while barely lifting a finger. Keep watching to master the art of the chase without actually doing any chasing of your own. 1. Make the first move and ask her out. If you want her to chase after you, you've got to make the first move and ask her out. But keep it casual. Suggest grabbing coffee or drinks to start. This shows you're interested, but still gives her a mystery. During your date, focus on listening to her and asking follow-up questions. Show genuine interest in getting to know her. At the end of the date, tell her you had a nice time and would like to see her again. Then let her know you'll be in touch. Don't ask for her schedule or try to make concrete plans yet. Keep things open-ended. This will leave her wanting more and wondering when she'll hear from you next. And when you do reach out for the second date a few days later, she'll likely say yes since you left such a good first impression. For that next date, pick an engaging activity like dancing, rock climbing, or seeing a show. Physical and exciting activities release dopamine, the feel-good hormone, making her associate that rush of excitement with you. After the high of your adventure, invite her over for a home-cooked meal. Nothing impresses a woman more than a man who can cook. Keep the conversation light and make lots of eye contact. If things are going well, go in for a first kiss. With the right balance of connection and uncertainty, she'll be eager to see where things might lead. By now, you've got her chasing after you. 2. Don't be too eager to hang out with her. Don't be too eager to hang out with her. Play it cool, and don't always be available at her beck and call. Make other plans and keep busy with your own life. She'll miss you more if you're not always around, and she'll have to work for your attention. Limit how often you reach out to make plans. Wait for her to initiate contact some of the time. If you're always the one asking her out, she may start to take you for granted. When you do get together, end the date once in a while. Give her a quick kiss, say you have an early meeting, and head home. Leaving her wanting more will make her desire your company that much more the next time. Take it slow and don't be in a rush. The slower you go, the faster she'll chase. Playing hard to get works because people want what they can't have. By being slightly aloof and unpredictable, you create mystery and keep her guessing. She'll be thinking about you when you're not around and looking forward to the next time she sees you. Before you know it, she'll be finding excuses to call you, dropping by unannounced just to say hi, and making it clear that she's interested in you whenever you have free time. Congrats, she's officially chasing you. Now you're in the driver's seat. 3. Ignore her to see if she comes chasing. When you feel like she's not as invested in the relationship as you are, pull back a bit and ignore her to see if she comes chasing after you. This shows her that you have a life of your own and that she needs to put in the effort to be a part of it. Don't always be the first one to text, call, or make plans. Wait for her to initiate sometimes. If she rarely does, she may not be as interested as you thought. Decline one of her invitations to hang out by saying you have other plans. See if she asks what you're up to or tries to reschedule. If she doesn't seem to care, she may be more casual about the relationship than you realize. Post less on social media and avoid liking or commenting on her posts. Don't give her attention, and see if she seeks out yours. If she doesn't even notice the change, it's time to reevaluate how important you are to her. When you talk or spend time together, you seem a bit distracted, like you have something else on your mind. If she asks what's up, be vague. Let her wonder why you're being aloof and see if she puts in extra effort to win back your full attention. The way she responds to your ignoring her or pulling away can reveal a lot about where her heart is. If she comes chasing after you, it shows she cares. If she hardly seems to notice, you deserve someone who will put in as much effort for you as you do for them. Don't waste time on those who won't. 4. Don't reward temper tantrums. When she realizes you're not giving her your usual attention, she may act out to get a reaction from you. Stay calm and don't give in. If she calls or texts repeatedly, don't answer right away. Wait at least 30-60 minutes before responding. This shows her that this kind of behavior won't be rewarded. Don't argue or try to reason with her if she's yelling or hysterical. Remain detached and tell her you'll continue the conversation when she's feeling calmer. Remove yourself from the situation if needed. Don't apologize or make excuses for setting healthy boundaries. You're entitled to your own life outside of her, and she needs to accept that if she wants to be in a mature relationship. Standing up for yourself in a respectful way will make her see that you won't be manipulated. She will come to appreciate you more rather than take you for granted. In the end, balancing your availability in a compassionate yet self-respecting manner is the best way to make her value your time together. 5. Ignore her if she doesn't reciprocate your feelings. If she's not reciprocating your feelings, it's time to move on. Continuing to pursue her will only lead to frustration and hurt feelings on your end. Stop messaging and calling her. Go radio silent and don't reach out. If she's interested, she'll start to miss talking with you. If she doesn't, you have your answer. Don't like or comment on her social media posts. Don't give her the satisfaction of knowing you're still paying attention. Out of sight, out of mind. Focus on yourself. Pick up a hobby, dive into your work, and spend time with supportive friends and family. Keeping busy will help take your mind off of her and boost your confidence. Start dating other people. Even if you're not quite ready to jump into another relationship, casually dating can help build your self-esteem and make you realize there are other great people out there. The key is not to dwell on someone who doesn't return your affection. Have enough respect for yourself to walk away from anyone who doesn't appreciate you. By ignoring her lack of interest and nurturing your own life, you'll start to forget about her in no time. And when you least expect it, someone new will come along who is absolutely crazy about you. 6. Know when not to ignore her. Knowing when to stop ignoring her and give her some attention again is key. As with anything, moderation is key. Look for cues that she's becoming less interested. Pay attention if she starts responding less frequently or enthusiastically, or if she stops initiating contact. These could be signs your strategy is backfiring and she's losing interest. Her texts become shorter and less flirty. She takes longer to respond or stops responding. She stops asking you questions or commenting on your posts. She seems less excited to see you in person. Compliment her and show you care. Once you notice her interest waning, go back to giving her attention and affection. Send a sweet text complimenting her smile or style. Ask her out for coffee or drinks, and be fully present, listening and engaging in genuine conversation. Hold her hand or give her a hug. These gestures show you care about her, not just the chase. The key is finding the right balance between ignoring and attending to keep her interest piqued while also conveying that you care. Pay close attention to her cues and be willing to adjust your strategy as needed. The goal is to keep her chasing you, not run her off completely. With practice, you'll become an expert in this delicate art of seduction.